Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the battery in a Toshiba CB35-A3120 Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you might also want to have them handy, as they may be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step in the battery replacement process will be to remove the 10 bottom cover screws. Next, you will use your spudger to carefully pry and remove the bottom cover. Now, you will disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Next, you will remove the 4 battery screws and then remove the battery. The first step in the installation of your replacement battery will be to set it into place and replace the 4 battery screws. Next, you will reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Now, you will snap the bottom cover back into place. The final step will be to replace the 10 bottom cover screws. You have now successfully replaced the battery in your Toshiba Chromebook. Good job!